welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Roshni. So for today's video, I'm going to share how I shoot my YouTube videos, basically like behind the camera, what goes on, how I prepare for it and everything. So yeah, ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए चलते हैं सीधा इस वीडियो की तरफ. I tell you, that was the quickest intro I've ever done in my channel. So everything starts right here, from this setup to everything that's around me, my makeup, my whatever. So before starting my video, like what I'm going to shoot or what about it should be, I always make a note, and I don't have notepad or something, so I always note it down in my note section that is in my phone. So yeah, for this video also I have noted down what all points I should cover up, because मैं नहीं चाहती कि कुछ भी miss out हो जाए at this point. But basically when I shoot for other videos, it's very impromptu, very random. I never script my videos, so like that. So here are the points what all I need to cover. So the first thing is the topics I decide to do on my YouTube. So whatever is trending on YouTube or on Instagram, I try to make a note of it and shoot it in my style. So after deciding what I have to shoot and everything, I get ready. So I decide what outfit should I wear. So I'm wearing this checkered shirt today with some gold necklace. This is from Shein, this is from Club Factory, and the gold earrings also. Sometimes I prefer looking a bit क्या कहते हैं, प्रोफेशनल, रिप्रेजेंटेबल. अदरवाइज इफ यू सी, हाफ ऑफ माई वीडियोज आर वेरी ब्लैक. I never dress up, I just wear pajamas and everything. It's just this top half that you need to look pretty. After clothing comes my makeup, so I really keep it very simple. I never experiment for my videos actually. And yeah, I'm going to do my regular makeup thing, like very nude lipsticks, and my eyes very nude. So yeah, I'll make a detailed video also about it, like my signature makeup look. So I'll start up by applying primer. This is the Insight Cosmetics primer 3-in-1. I really like it. I've already moisturized my face. Not contouring for YouTube videos, like you don't want it, just apply blush. It will add a lot to your videos, like your representation. So I'm using the Copycat Beauty Exposed palette. You've already seen it, and I love this dark pink one. I basically mix it with the light shimmery powder also and just apply it. This looks very beautiful, guys. For my eyes also, I don't do a lot. I will be using the same palette and just applying this bronzer shade, and for highlighter I'll be using this golden one, and maybe for inner corners also. That's it. Then I'll apply some mascara and some I'll spit some setting spray, and I'm good to go for the video. So I will be using this lipstick. This is by Nykaa Powder Puff, and it is very nice. I don't use that much of bright shades. So my makeup. So the next thing is I'll do my hair. I'll just keep it open normally. I also don't experiment with my hairstyles for my YouTube video. It's always a side parting, because बहुत तामझाम लगता है मुझे करना. So we are ready to start a YouTube video. Now that we are ready, let's talk about the background. Now this is a corner in my house, and there is never a permanent background in my YouTube channel. Basically you will see a lot of backgrounds because I have always been shooting in my Delhi house or at my hostel, or just putting up mom's chunni and making it a background. Like that one, I had to hide that shelf because it was a bookshelf and बहुत सारी रैंडम चीज़ें थी, तो जस्ट मेक इट ऑल टुगेदर. एंड दिस इज़ द विंडो. तो सब कुछ एक साथ लाने के लिए आई हैव जस्ट पुट ऑन दैट. अदरवाइज आई जस्ट हैंग इट फ्रॉम माई कबर्ड, मम्मी का जो भी चुन्नी होता है, एंड देयर आई फिल्म इट लाइक सिटिंग डाउन एंड एडजस्टिंग ऑल माई थिंग्स, बिकॉज आफ्टर आई like finish filming, I have to keep it back in the place. So I don't have a perfect studio right now, so that is what it is. So if I'm filming a haul video, I wrap it up by like 45 minutes, but this video will take me for an hour, I know, because I have to show you all the things around what goes. And if it's a makeup tutorial, I don't really speak, I like it to be voiceover thing. I'll tell you how I do it. And yeah, so that is what it is. Now I'll show you what all equipments I use and how do I use it and everything. Now that we are backside, like behind the camera, I'll show you how I shoot. I have been shooting this one with my phone, so don't mind the quality, we can bear it, but just to make you look what it looks. So this is my ring light that I have recently purchased. You must have seen it in my Amazon haul video. So this one is from Digitech, and the stand that I use is also from Digitech. Don't mind this, we just live in one room like thing because हम लोग घर का renovation हो रहा है. So yeah, it has two controls like this, where you can adjust the intensity of the light and which light you want, like the warm tone or the cool tone and everything. And that's it about it. Now this is my camera stand. Now this also I got it from Amazon at a very good deal, and this has this rotation thing that is more easier because I can just adjust the camera according to myself. Camera I use is the Sony Alpha 6400, and I love this thing. It has a flip camera, it is perfect for vlogging and clicking pictures, and I use the same lens that was provided in it. So this charger cable was there with it, and battery, and also a SD card, which is really very important. I have another one, so yeah, I have in total 2 of them. So this is the camera I use. Now that I have discussed all about my equipment, what exactly I use and how, I also use this tripod to film my IGTV videos and my ring light, that's it. I don't take out my camera for my IGTV videos. Camera so that you can see what goes behind and how I shoot. Let's start. So I just finished my haul video. You can see what all happens when you do one. You need to take break also in between every clip that you shoot. The next thing that we do after I shoot is a thumbnail picture. आप बहुत cringe होने वाले हो. It's just like taking the products and posing like this. So let's do it. Now this is basically how I film my entire video. Next thing that I have to do is switch off the camera, switch off the light, keep everything that I have back to the place, all the mess that I have around, and yeah. Next is to edit and transfer. So I transfer my videos from my camera to my phone, to this phone or the other one, that is the iPhone. Yes, I use the iPhone also sometimes to edit the iMovie that it has already in it, but from this phone I transfer my files because my camera has a Wi-Fi and easily I can. Agar something happens, it doesn't really transfer the photos or the videos in here, what I do is I copy from the SD card to my laptop, and then again with the USB cord I take the videos to my phone. So that's a lot of work I put in to put up a single video. You see, that's how we struggle. It's not that सब कुछ हमारे पास already है. So after transferring the files, I have few options like InShot and VLLO. VLLO is very kind of similar to iMovie, but you open up video and select the file. I have an example for you guys. Like I recorded a lipstick swatch. I'll select all the files that I need, and yeah, here it is. This is what it looks like. I'll swipe left so that I could see. Now there is pre-cut thing where you can trim and just split your videos into 2 parts also. And yeah, so this is how I do. The video was split in 2 parts. Now I trim it for exact seconds how much I need, and I'll do same with the other parts of the video. After editing, there are lots of features like you can adjust the canvas and everything. I'll add music also, like you can add music, there are music already, or you can add from your library. Then there are a lot of options like cut and reverse and many more. After I'm done, I'll save the video, and this has quality which one you want. I usually do it in like the maximum 1:160 it is, and yeah, I save it into it and it's ready to be uploaded. A lot of work goes in and out, so yeah, that is how I edit my videos as you saw in the previous clip. Let's talk about people asking me how do I start my YouTube finally, or from scratch. I don't have that, I don't have this. Guys, I started YouTube back in 2018 with my phone, and the phone that I was having is the Redmi Note 3, that is by Xiaomi, and of course we know about it. It was quite famous at that time. After using Xiaomi, I was like, uska battery फूलने लगा था because we know the brand thing. So I switched to this one. This is the iPhone SE. My mom used to use it. So I switched from that phone to this phone, and I saw the quality being, very good in this phone, and I used to use it in front camera. I shot all of my videos until I got my new phone on my new camera with this one and the other Xiaomi phone from front camera, and that too sitting in front of my window and natural light. So after continuing like that with natural light and stuff, I saw one of my friend buying a ring light, the small one जो 1500 और 2000 के अंदर आता है. And तब मैं दिल्ली में थी when I saw her story, and I was like, where did you get it from? She was like, from CP and everything. So I went down to CP. I got one of my tripods for like 400 and this small ring light for like 1500. Now this has also everything in it, like all the settings, blue light, orange light, and the stuff we know. I used this for like 1 year, for the next 1 year, until I got my new ring light, that is last week itself. And this has been like a love relationship with my this ring light and my phone and everything. So that is what it is. That is how I invested, like first 7 months without a ring light, and then again that, and then after that phone I got my hands on this one that I have right now. I use the Samsung S10e right now presently, and जो बहुत अच्छे हालत में नहीं है. So I was given two choices, या तो mom का phone that she uses right now. She uses Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, I guess, ऐसा ही कुछ है. Or else this one. I was like, that is already used. वो mind process आ जाता है that it is already used. Why not take the new one? So I got my hands on this, and the camera quality is really good for this one. Now yeah, so I shoot my all the Instagram videos with this, or else in camera. That is how it goes on. That is how actually I started. So for starting you don't need high quality productions or anything. Just start with what you have and have patience for everything. So that is what I say when people ask me, like, even I started from something, you can start from something, and it will lead you your way where you have to reach. Even though I'm saying that, I was the one who cried to my parents that I need a camera, please abhi mujhe de do, and they gifted me one in which I'm shooting, and the quality is great. It works very fine. I don't have extra equipments for my camera. I just have this lens that I am using right now. So those who are starting, if you have a good quality phone, everyone has a smartphone, everyone knows how to use it. So if you have a decent phone with you and just invest in a ring light or some good lighting, you're good to go. You don't need really, you really don't need a camera for that. So guys, that is all for today. That is how I shoot my videos and everything. I'll be up next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this was helpful. Also, all the product details like all the ring light, camera and everything that I use will be listed down in the description bar below so that you check it out. And finally, I'll say, like the video, I guess I've already said it, subscribe to my channel, do hit the bell notification button so that whenever I'm up with a new video, आपको notification आ जाए. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.